Saturday morning, 7:30. I gotta go rebuild these Cook's Drawers units. True. And I don't know if I'm gonna tighten it up or make it worse, but these are the new style True wheels. They're expensive. And we'll get into it and I'll show you if how we make out on that. Let's get out there. A little smoky from all the fires, and it's like smoke fog combo. Thanks and praise.
Double up your power.
Now we comes our special request to each and every one. Especially those my children. Forget where they're coming from, you know. This song is called Roots and Culture.
Skip, skip it, skip, skip it, skip, skip it. Oh yeah. Alright, getting the drawers out. This is why I was rocking the reggae this morning, getting myself all amped and ready for the swim. Get your snorkel and your mask on, get in there. Look at the wheels are gone. They just take a beating. For you guys that haven't worked on these Cook's Drawers units, look, I'll be honest with you, they're never fun. They're always a pain in the ass. So you just got to get in the mindset. But there's one of the wheels that fell apart right there. These wheels are really expensive too. There's one that's all roached out. So the tracks will sit on the wheels like that, this inside track. To take them off, all you got to do is lift up and they'll come out. So you get all three of those out. And then we're going to need to get to the back side of these wheels here. We're going to have to take these screws out, the whole plate. And if I remember right, this middle piece also will come out. And then we can slide the whole rack out, as you know, in one piece. They're put on there together. Then I'm going to get the guys to clean this up a bit. So it's all coming back to me now. So this whole cover just snaps on and comes off. That middle rail, see that? Then you can, good luck trying to get your screws out. See, they'll rust out and stuff. There's a little 1/4 inchers. The foam here will slide. One side's rusted, one side's not. So once we get those out, we'll get this middle piece out. Then we can get all these screws like this, these retaining screws out. And this whole rack will come out. It's got pieces on the bottom you can't see because it's swimming in the muck, but that's what we're up against. Once we get those out, I'll show you. I think I've showed you. If you go on my tool bag video, somewhere on my channel, there's a video for that bag and my tools. And I keep a lot of these little ratchets and little wrenches for working on furnaces, and then they come in handy for like this stuff. We'll see if we can get these out of there. Sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. So we'll see. I got to get 2 hands on this, so I'm going to turn the camera off. I'm using the Milwaukee impact on there to get all the screws out. When the screws are out, it's going to push in and then pull out. And that's that piece is out of there. Now we can work on all these little mounting screws in here to get these out. And you'll see there's some plastic ones here too. Looks like they have an Allen wrench on the inside possibly. Yeah, those little buggers. Man, let's get that rack out. It's gonna be nice to get this out of here. It's a fun morning. Happy Saturday. Socket adapter into my impact. I've had pretty good luck with this in the past, so we'll see. I got one out so far. This one here, I don't think it's gonna fit because it's all destroyed from where there was no wheel on that door. This one looks like it's gonna cooperate. There we go. That's what's holding those on, are these. Pretty long. Now we got it out. We got to get to these back bolts for the wheels. And that's the inside rail channel right there. Let's get to work. Skip. One down. That nut right there, inside the wheel, believe it or not, is 5/32 Allen key. The new wheels, they do not come with the nut, so do not lose your nuts. Make sure you save those. That's all you get when you get them. Alright, let's get those back in. Little hot water cleanup. The important part of the job is to clear out the condensate drain. Old refrigeration hose I chopped off. Then we'll get it cleared out, tubes. I just got done with that Cook Stores putting it all back. Check this out. Customer lost her fucking mind because it went, you know, it took a long time to do that. They open at 11, it's 11:22 right now. So she cursed me upside down and backwards, and I told her to eat shit. Never to call me again. You saw what was inside those Cook Stores. You can draw your own conclusions. Needless to say, I told her, I'll never work for you again. I'm done with that shit. All I do is honest, professional job, work hard, and they lost their shit. They obviously don't care about the customer's health and safety, so I don't want to work for those kind of people. But that's what happened on that one. I'm gonna put the reggae on and go to the next one. I ate about $400 worth of those little wheels. Those wheels are 28 bucks a piece. I had 18 of them. It's okay though. I got 400 bucks to shit out of my ass, so I don't care. Better than dealing with this shit when you're working hard. And any of you guys that do air conditioning and are thinking about getting in refrigeration, don't do it. Stay with the H.V.A.C. But switch from, you could switch from residential and do commercial H.V.A.C. I did it for 10 years and it was awesome. I still like the refrigeration stuff because I'm sick in the head. But that's that one. Crazy day, baby, crazy day.